Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I will help you how to set up your ExpressVPN on an Asus router. Let me guide you on how to set up your ExpressVPN on an Asus router using their official website support. So first up, you want to download the ExpressVPN firmware. So from the drop-down menu, select the model of your Asus router. So keep this browser window open. You will need the activation code for the setup later. Next is you want to connect your Asus router to the internet. So before you proceed, you want to make sure to turn on your Asus router, connect the Asus router to the internet, and then connect your device to the Asus router. Next is install the ExpressVPN firmware. So in your web browser's address bar, enter the router.asus.com, or if it doesn't work, you wanna do the 192.168.1.1. If you have changed your default gateway in the past, you can find it in your device setting. So if prompted, enter your as Asus router's username and password. So by default, it will go in as admin. So by there, you just wanna follow these steps. You wanna go to administration and then go to firmware upgrade. After that, you wanna press the upload button and then select the ExpressVPN firmware.trx file you downloaded earlier. Connect to the router running ExpressVPN and then complete the setup on the router. And there you have it. Now you have the ExpressVPN on your Asus router.